What's going on, my friends? Today I have a pretty interesting little item here. It's made by Homelink. It's a universal garage door opener. Now, I've done several videos in the past on the ones with the mirrors. I've done the bezel installation kits, and I've done several other modified edgeless mirrors, all different types of Homelinks. However, it's nice once in a while when you have a product that you don't have to work so hard at doing an installation on. So something that is designed for a newer vehicle, for the person that's not quite so technologically skilled, just a little awkward when it comes to installation. If that's speaking to you, this little part right here just might be the exact thing you're looking for. Now, what this is a 2-button Homelink, which you can learn and pair up to 2 separate channels. You have channel 1 up here and a second channel 2, so you can actually use your lawn equipment, your vehicle. If you have 2 garage doors at your home, you can use one for your garage door left, one for your right, or if you have a gate and you have a garage door, you can work it that way. But here's what makes this thing really truly interesting. What is that? That is a long life battery. Zero installation. You'll notice that there's an absence of wiring on this installation. Basically what it's designed to use, if you notice closely that you have these tabs that squeeze in on the side, these are designed for an access or a knockout panel found in most vehicles, where you simply take a pry tool, pop it out, and then this will go sliding right in there and click and fit perfectly into a factory application where you wouldn't even know it was installed. Basically, you put it in, go up to your garage door, program it. It comes with a little template so you can cut out if it's not pre-cut in your vehicle, and take it, slide this right in there. It'll click in there perfectly, and there's no installation. All you do is you go up to your garage door, you hit the learn button, and voila, you have a Homelink. Never before have I ever seen anything quite so simplified for doing a Homelink installation. I've had, not that I think it's hard, but I've had situations where it's harder than it probably should be. So if that fits into you, and you're kind of scared about doing an installation for a Homelink, you might want to take another look, because things have gotten easier. As things progress and technology improves, stuff like this is always coming out, and that's why I wanted to take a second, show you that the product is available. It's on our site. They're very affordable. They're about $100 less than a standard 3-button kit with the three different color skins, which not everybody needs: a black, a tan, and a gray. Most people have a dash where it's going to be a black bezel anyway. This is going to fit perfectly. No installation, simple instructions. Anybody can do it. I think this kit is going to be very popular for a lot of different people. So if you're interested in getting one of these kits, check it out. It's on our site. Look below. There'll be a link for it. And I hope you all enjoyed the video.